Whoa, what a cool toy! Off and on, off and on. It's a perfect nightlight. Oh wow, a wizard! Let's hope he's got your long-lost letter to Hogwarts. Even better, he's giving you his hat. Will it tell you what house you're in? Or is it the kind you pull rabbits out of? Wait, something's happening. Ah! I think she went through it. Oh, don't panic. Just start clicking those heels. Or maybe there's something in that wizard's hat that can help. Oh, look. Looks just like a pen. But no, it's an ear cleaner. You'd think that name would be self-explanatory. Oh, good. She seems to be figuring it out on her own. From the looks of it, she got that ear cleaner just in time. But for now, let's just see what else we can do with this. Cool. It's like you have a microscope in the palm of your hands. Uh-oh, she's up to something now. Isn't there an expression about not picking your friend's nose? Either way, it seems like somebody's not happy about this. Well, that's certainly one way to wake somebody up. Probably should run that thing under hot water or something. What's this now? A poison extraction pump? Well, on the plus side, I guess you're not gonna lose it if it sticks to you like that. Ugh, seriously, that looked like it hurt. I'd say test it out with real poison. But you really shouldn't be playing around with, well, poison. Good idea. We can help our friend, Mr. Cactus. Clean up his face. Well, you never know. He might have a big date coming up or something. And now he's ready for someone to give him a nice, warm hug. Back to the hat. Ooh, a plastic welder. Looks like she broke her glasses right at the perfect time. Wait, I don't think it's on right. Well, at least the welder works. You just know she totally meant to do that. What else is there to weld? Well, if we can't find something broken, we can always just make something broken. Looks like we're just putting it back together with hot glue. And using the welder for an extra level of securing it. The ultimate test. Can it hold liquid? Oh, well, I was scared for a second, but looks like your soda's safe. Oh no, I sense a disturbance off nearby. Think, there must be some way that welding can save the day. Good idea. Let's start with fixing up the photo. Good as new, and a little tear just makes it look artsy. What a happy ending. Now go, be a welder by day and a dancer by night. Fingers crossed. Let's hope the wizard sent something fun. Oh, cool, a duck. It's a cute little drink cooler for children. Well, nobody said this had to be a water cooler. Bring on the Coca-Cola. Taste it and see if it's still good. I mean, you just poured it in, but who needs an excuse to drink Coke? Well, all in all, she seems happy. What else can we use? Right, a nice healthy cup of milk. Or, better yet, flavor your coffee or tea. This should really step up your tea parties. Wow, this thing is the perfect size for your cat. Can he use it? Well, now I've seen everything, and the cat gets a nice treat. You know this thing could really help with your lemonade stand. These gadgets have been on a roll. Let's see what's next. Oh, probably shouldn't have said roll around a magic hat. Still, anything that makes ice cream for you sounds pretty cool. We should probably stop with these puns. What do we do? Well, seems easy enough. Pour in the ice and salt on one side. On the other side, pour in the milk, cream, sugar, and whatever flavoring you want. Now for the fun part. Shake that ball. Toss it in the air. Just make it move. Just think, you can have a fun treat after your game. It's a win-win. But let's see how everything came out. Well, it looks like ice cream, but the ultimate test is whether it tastes like ice cream. It seems like a success. Still hoping for that rabbit. Oh, look, it's a camping bag. Cool.
Wow.
It can help hold your Coke for you when your hands are busy. Let's test it out. What's something that'll keep your hands busy? Yeah, climbing sounds about right. Crawling around works too. Come on, keep going. You know what they say about idle hands. Besides, you still have plenty of Coke to keep you happy. Oh, whoops. What else can we use this bag for? How about something hot? Soup. Perfect. Where to now? Good idea. When's the last time you were able to get soup at the movies? Then again, at theater prices, maybe she should have brought a soda bag too. Either way, she still seems like a happy camper. Is this a new gadget or one of those endless scarf tricks? Nope, we were right the first time. It's a new gadget. What is it? Cool. It's a massage mat for your bathtub. It's one step closer to making your bathtub into a hot tub. Come on, let's see it in action. Turn on the water and watch it go. Wow, it's an instant bubble bath, all with the press of a button. Think of all the money you'll save on bubble soap. Yeah, it pays for itself. But does this massage mat live up to its name? Well, she seems pretty relaxed, even without the bubbles. I guess I spoke too soon about those bubbles. A relaxing treat at the touch of a button is definitely worth 5 stars. A reusable kebab kit? Guess it's time for a barbecue. Does the hat have anything else? Oh, meat! And sticks! Wow, have I mentioned how much I love this hat? It's time to put everything into place. Seems simple enough. You can put the stick in all at once. That's a real time saver. Well, someone really likes kebabs. It might be safer to use real fire for the raw meat one. Still, she seems happy enough with the fruit and veg ones. Well, hats off to this one. Pretty cool stuff. Catch you next time. Once upon a time, there lived a young man called Cinderfella. Unfortunately, he lived with his wicked stepmother, who was always ordering him about with the meanest of housework. So much work. He better step to it before she makes him sew her a ball gown too.
What?
Don't worry, his fairy godmother is here to help. Or something. Anything inside? Where are those talking rats when you need them? Sweeping Beauty here really needs to watch where he's going. Now he has to start all over. But maybe that car can help. Just look at it wipe up all that mess! And it even gets things in the dustpan. Well, I don't see how he could have prepared for that. And he'll have to start all over. That's gonna be a recurring theme, isn't it? Maybe the magic bag will help. Look, a vacuum cleaner. But can a little guy handle such a big job? Guess not. Maybe we can try something with these straws. Yeah, much better. Got any of those lentil sorting pigeons?
What?
How about anything in the bag? Cool. Anything with slime has got to be a fun time. Let's just hope it works.
What?
Who wants to bet he's gonna accidentally write the next bestseller? Look at it clear the dust off this TV, but you can keep it on and pretend you're sliming celebrities. And it really gets into those hard-to-reach places. Cool find. Do you think you'll get the other one? Even better, candy. Even if it is covered in slime and filth. Oh, looks like he's got some free time. Maybe not. Ugh. Yeah, great idea, Magic Bag. And that's not all. A brush. Anything that keeps you from touching that is worth its weight in gold. Though wearing some house slippers is always a good idea. Uh-oh, looks like he forgot to fold the laundry. Well, this new gadget is certainly big enough for the job. Just fold the flaps and the shirt is nice and neat. One, two, three, and voila! It did it again. That pile's getting pretty big. I'd be careful stacking things taller than you.
Uh-oh.
Good thing he still has that gadget. He's gonna need it. Remember, kids, only you can prevent dust bunnies. Let's hope that there's some elevator shoes in that magic bag. Ah, yes, duct tape. The answer to all of life's problems. Oh, I guess he liked my elevator shoe idea after all. I was wondering what happened to those boxers. How'd they get up there? When I said the meanest of housework, I meant it. Okay, who keeps spilling paint in the toilet? Third time this week. Wow, a UV light. Aw, what an inspiring message. Wonder who wrote it. Ah, quick, we need to get a bag of uncooked rice, stat! You know, at some point, this just becomes busy work. Ka-ching! Look at all that money! Now we can finally move out. Back home? Either he didn't listen to me or he got his stepmom to co-sign. And we're out of detergent. Seriously, this just isn't his day. Ooh, dinosaur molds. And this baby shampoo can be our emergency laundry detergent. Not entirely sure making the soap into dinosaurs is so necessary, but why not? And this is why it's important to measure your laundry soap. Oh, Don't cry. At least you're clean. Wow, the kitchen is a mess, which is kind of weird because he hasn't cooked anything. Ah yes, the cleaning glove. Man's ally in the fight against dishpan hands. And those gloves have secret brush-like bristles. Still, are we sure there isn't a magic dishwasher in that big bag? Unfortunately, finishing early just means he can handle more work. Hey, is it me, or did he not use half of those cleaning supplies? You just know there's like an hour of footage playing with slime. I'm starting to think that all these bloopers are why we only did half the story. Though we probably saved a bundle on cleanup with this one. Wait, he caused that whole mess? Now I'm siding with his stepmom. Catch you next time!